Hey guys, welcome to my next try-on haul. So guess what? I took a bunch of items from my closet that I don't really wear anymore. And since my apartment is basically a storage unit, I ended up with a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna have my own little version of those online shopping platforms where you like ship out clothes every week. And I'm just gonna try and ship out my clothes to sell. Especially the ones that I just don't really wear anymore. They still have a designer tag. They still have a designer name. Those are gonna be the high value items that I'm gonna be trying to sell. So I figured I would give you guys a little access to my decision-making process in cleaning out my closet today. So the theme of this haul, spring cleaning. I still have a whole collection of dresses to get to. So I've got dresses all over the place right now, which is like really toying with my OCD. But luckily for you guys, it's gonna make the journey even more fun. So let's see what I have. I've got a red dress, which reminds me of my high school ex. So that might be a sell. I've got a whole collection of pink dresses. There's like 4 pink dresses on here. Those are gonna need a little bit of further attention. I've got an empty hanger because one of them just fell off. And then these two I need to take to the dry cleaners because it looks like there's like Coca-Cola or coffee spilled all over them. This one is just like a weird yellow color. It used to be white and now it's like a weird color. So I think these two are gonna go straight to the dry cleaners, but they fit in with the haul, so I thought I'd include them. Lastly, from this set, we've got some floral dresses, perfect for spring. But since I'm not like a modest Christian white lady, and I don't want to give off the impression of being a modest Christian white lady, unless it was like for costuming. Maybe I could keep these for costuming purposes, but bottom line, I probably wouldn't wear these and I'll probably list them in case someone is looking. These are broken. These were sent to me from a brand and then I don't remember exactly, but I think the zipper was broken. And so I literally have sewed the zipper together and they're not like super stretchable. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna sell these. They have a tag on them, but they're broken. So yeah, don't know about that one. I will have to think. They are from Halara, but I don't know if Halara wants me to tell you that considering they're broken. Anyway, moving on. This is a Vans skirt. It's really cute. It's just a little young for me. I do have a couple other denim skirts that are a little bit older, and like this, especially with the pockets, is giving like high schooler. This would be really cute for costuming though. This would be really cute for costuming like an all high schooler. Okay, moving on. Also, don't high schools have dress codes? So I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is a quintessential At the Illy Babe shirt. This is the shirt that was used as my profile picture for a really long time. It's a Meow designer shirt and it still has its tag on it. So this is like a staple of my wardrobe. I'm gonna have to like maybe think about selling this one or thinking about keeping it until maybe one day I can fit in it again. Clearly I've never worn it out. If I'd worn it out, I would have taken the tag off of it. So I think I only wore it around the house. But it's so cute. I might try and see if I can fit into this again. I don't know, it looks really tiny. Maybe I'll sell it. It's really cute, look at this. So yeah, that could be a good one to sell. Let's see what else. Here I have this Jacquemus purse. This purse is gorgeous, it's super nice. However, I feel like I could get more money for it than use I get out of it, just because it's got that Jacquemus name and I never use it. So like no use, a fair amount of money. Next we have the opposite. This is a no brand Acme made, feels like it was made in that like production studio that made superheroes. So maybe I could brand it as like a superhero made. This is actually a camera bag. And quite frankly, there's a good chance that I just start using this for practical reasons. But it is falling apart, which is why it's in this haul. I'm gonna have to give it a little bit of TLC, maybe take it into a leather person. So last up in the hanging up collection are these 2 costumes that I had, both of which are for character work. They're for different purposes. This fit is supposed to be a Queen Bumblebee outfit. It's got a yellow and black blazer, a yellow knit, and then a black dress. So this is like a stylish version of a queen bumblebee. All it's missing is a tiara with plastic bees glued onto it. So this would be a great Halloween costume for next year. Most likely not gonna sell it, so I figured I would include it in my spring cleaning haul, especially since bumblebees are very much in season right now. This costume I am including in the potential sale because this blazer is really nice. It's just a little bit small for me. The sleeves reach up to like there on my arm, which is like really awkward. There's like an extra inch or two, so it's just not really ideal. This one has a pajama top because I had a pajama outfit, and then it has really cool collar because I had a medieval, not medieval, but like 18th century. This brown jacket's not mine, so I can't even sell it if I wanted to. It's technically my sister's, but I wanted to include it because I hung it together with the full costume because I like to hang costumes together. This is also from Finesse US Studios. I've worn this before. It has hummingbirds on it. It's a super bright pink. This is a little black dress. This dress is semi-professional, and to be honest, it just doesn't really fit my style anymore, but I wouldn't mind donating this. I don't really need to sell it. I don't think it's like any designer or anything. It was DKNY, Donna Karan, New York. Next, this is a skirt that I actually did try to use for alterations, but then I realized it was like low-key, like way too cute for me to mess up, considering I don't know what I'm doing and considering it's just like so cute. So I'm either gonna try it on, and if it fits, I'll keep it. If it doesn't fit, I'm gonna sell it as it is because I just don't want to ruin it. Wow, this is bright. Oh my goodness. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. I have to keep this one. I actually think this whole outfit works. Look at that. Here's that skirt without any jacket. Pretty cute, right? Well, that's more like it. This lilac bridesmaid's dress is also from Xoxoxo, still with a tag on it. I got this as part of a brand sponsorship. It's almost like too close to my skin color to look good, but not close enough that it looks good. So I think I'll be selling this one, and let's see what else I have. Wowza. So up next in this haul is yet another dress that I have no explanation for. This one is also from Xoxoxo. It was also gifted to me from a brand. The real question here is, why did I pick this dress out? I don't know. So I will be listing this gorgeous dress. I've never worn it. It's in mint condition. So let's see what else I have. So just to add to my collection of pastel bridesmaids dresses, this dress, in my opinion, actually is giving sorority rush. If I could go back in time and wear this dress, I would, because we had a light blue day. This would have been perfect. Anyway, so I do like this color. It's hard to say if this color looks good on me. I think it washes me out a little bit, but I could be wrong. I feel like it's maybe just, I don't know. I don't know if this is the right color for me, but this dress is once again unused. It's from Xoxoxo, and I will be listing it along with my other pastel dresses. So when I first looked at this dress on the hanger, I was like, oh my god, that's so ugly. That'll be going in the sell pile. But as I sit here looking at it on the screen and then looking down at it on my body, I'm thinking, one, this dress is actually really comfortable. And two, I actually kind of like it. And it's also like a little bit older, so it's not like I've already aged out of this. I feel like I could wear this as a 29-year-old. I think I might keep this one, you know? Wow, so this red dress is interesting. It's like a sweetheart neckline. It's made of like a really nice fabric. And then it's kind of short. It's like a mini dress, kind of like my purple Jacquemus dress. Similar length, similar sort of mini dress style. I have seen mini dresses coming back into style. I actually don't think this dress is particularly out of style now that I'm looking at it. But the real question is, does it fit? Let's see. No. This pink little mini dress is from Motel. It features a cinchable neckline and these floral inlays into the fabric. It's actually super comfortable. I think this is giving like cowgirl poetry and how I go to cowboy poetry. I actually think this would be really cute to pair in a Western style. I can see this. I might have to keep this. This is originally from Urban Outfitters. I know, right? This is an Urban Outfitters original. I don't know if I've ever worn it. I don't remember why I bought it, but I do know it's been in my closet for a while now. And this just doesn't fit right. So I think I'm gonna end up selling it. But it's a nice color. All right, so up last but not least, we have this gorgeous pink floral dress. This dress reminds me of Miami and Florida for some reason. I just feel like it has Florida vacationer vibes all over it. So who's up for a trip to Miami, am I right? This dress is so cute. I really like the way it looks. I like the cutouts and I like the length as a maxi dress as well. It also looks super cute with my Jacquemus purse. I think this is actually quite cute for springtime. I just don't know if it's my style. I think I might list it anyway, just because like I think somebody else could get some use out of it. And I don't know how much use I will personally be getting out of this dress, but it is super cute. It's super comfortable and it is from Roxy. I did buy it firsthand, I think. Yay! Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my spring cleaning haul today. Let me know in the comments which items you think I need to absolutely keep and which items you think I can, you know, maybe toss, or just go ahead and shoot any opinion you want down there and I will do my best to respond. I will see you guys around here back on my channel next week to see what haul I have for you guys then. Alright babes, XOXOXO. Love you guys. See you next time.